Hello Marathon family, hope you guys are good. Right now I'm at my brother's place and he sells cars. Anyway, if somebody needs cars, just let me know. But this video is just not only about cars, it's also about updating my fellow Ugandans about UAE visas. Some of the Ugandans have contacted me when they have a UK residence and some of them are in Saudi. And some of them even asked me that, Kareem, like we have a clean record, so can we apply? We don't have a bad record. So it's not about your record, it's not about where you are, like you're a resident of UK or you have a working permit of Saudi, as long as you are a Ugandan citizen. Because when we apply, they ask for the nationality. As long as you hold a Ugandan nationality, you're not getting visas at the moment. Okay, some visas are going through, like out of 10 visas, one comes out. That's not like a proper normal process. So wait for the process to get normal. Besides that, Ethiopians, Nigerians, and also not getting visas. Otherwise, every other nationality can apply for the visit visa. That's it. Please share my videos. Till then, much love, peace, and as I always say, God bless Africa. And you can come for cars. Contact me.